Embakasi East MP Babu Owino has spoken out about his notable absence during the parliamentary session where Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua was impeached. His decision to skip the debate and refrain from signing the impeachment motion sparked curiosity and concern among his supporters and fellow lawmakers. Addressing the matter, Owino explained his reasons and made a pointed critique of the priorities being set by Parliament. In a public statement, the outspoken MP justified his absence by emphasizing that there are far more urgent issues facing the country than Gachagua's impeachment. He stated, "How can I waste my precious whole day discussing Rigathi, yet we have serious issues like Adani, the new university funding model, the social health insurance fund, the high cost of living, high taxation, unemployment, among others." His comments alluded to his belief that the impeachment process was a distraction from pressing national matters that directly affect ordinary Kenyans. Owino's explanation also revealed his frustration with the current parliamentary agenda, which he believes overlooks critical socio-economic challenges in favor of political maneuvering. "You'll see me in Parliament when these issues are presented, but they will not bring them," he declared. By this, he was suggesting that discussions on issues such as reforms to the education sector, healthcare, and Kenya's economic struggles were being sidelined. The MP's absence was, according to him, a reflection of his commitment to focusing on matters that impact his constituents and the broader Kenyan population. The Embakasi East legislator also criticized the rapid pace at which Gachagua's impeachment was handled, calling for similar urgency in addressing the country's major issues. The speed with which Rigathi was impeached should be the same speed used to solve Kenyans' challenges, Owino stressed, implying that Parliament should show the same level of commitment and energy in tackling problems like high taxation, unemployment, and the cost of living. Since the impeachment vote, national attention has shifted between the political implications of Gachagua's removal and the ongoing challenges, such as the high cost of basic commodities, access to affordable health care, and the looming financial burden of the new university funding model. The latter, in particular, has stirred concerns among students and parents, and Owino, who has long advocated for youth and education reforms, made it clear that these issues should take center stage in Parliament. The MP's absence from the impeachment proceedings, therefore, stands as a statement of protest, symbolizing his belief that there are more significant priorities for the legislative body. Owino's focus on addressing core issues like unemployment, taxation, and reforms in health and education speaks to a growing public sentiment that Parliament needs to realign its agenda to better serve the interests of the people. As the impeachment of Deputy President Gachagua continues to unfold, with its legal and political ramifications still uncertain, Owino's call for Parliament to concentrate on Kenya's pressing challenges is likely to gain traction. His remarks have already sparked discussions among Kenyans about the real priorities for the nation's leadership, with many hoping that the urgency shown in the political arena will soon translate to efforts aimed at improving their everyday lives. Owino's stance not only sets him apart from some of his colleagues, but also underscores the delicate balance lawmakers must strike between addressing political crises and solving real-world problems that affect their constituents. Whether this sentiment will shift the direction of future parliamentary debates remains to be seen. But for now, the Embakasi East MP has made his position on the Gachagua impeachment loud and clear.